comedy vlog. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're one of my old subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to share tips with you as how you could use aloe vera gel on your face as face mask and on your hair to give volume to your hair, and also to make your hair very silk and smooth. So let's begin. So to begin with your face mask, you will need at least 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Either you could use the real gel or you could use the bottle one. In my case, I'll take 2 teaspoons because my sister will use this face pack as well. Just a pinch of turmeric powder, not too much. 1 teaspoon of honey. Now give it a good mix. And it's ready. Now you will need a makeup brush. If not, you could use your hands, but using a makeup brush it will be much more easier to spread around. Aloe vera gel is a sort of antioxidant. It removes all the dead skin, any sort of bacteria or skin disease which you have. And not only aloe vera gel, honey, it will keep your skin moist. And turmeric powder, it is a herbal remedy for any kind of disease. Your face will start feeling very smooth at this point, smooth and very cool at this point. Even if the weather is really hot, you could apply this so that there is no sort of irritation in your face. Now I will leave this on for at least 15 minutes and then I will wash it off. My face mask is still on. I wanted to mention one more thing, that you could use this paste on your arms as well. And after applying it on my sister, I still have some left over. You could apply it on your arms. This is not only good for your face but also good for your skin. Nothing can beat herbal homemade remedy. I mean, like face masks, those are good when you buy it, but once in a while we should like take care of our skin and use natural homemade remedy. So while that's aside, I will make the paste. I will show you how to make a paste using aloe vera gel for your hair. For your hair you will need a lot actually of aloe vera gel. So this is roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons. You will need baby oil. My hair it absorbs a lot of baby oil, so that's maybe half a cup or less than half. And you will need half lemon juice. If you have hair which has dandruff, like you're suffering from dandruff, so lemon juice is very good for that. Also for very dry scalp, it removes dry scalp and dead skin. Now you need to part your hair in between and take your mixture and just massage your scalp. Make sure you massage your roots properly. Don't leave out any gaps, so that way you can clear all the dandruff, all the dead skin. Now as you can see, my face, it's very smooth. It feels really soft, and since I have dry skin, all the dryness it's gone. And you could try this at least 2 or 3 times a week, or if you're working you could try this face mask in the weekend. I have another face mask video which I will link it down in the description and in the comment section, so you could watch that as well and try that in your free time. And stay tuned to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll post another video very soon about your under eye bags, how you could remove under eye bags at home. So yes guys, thank you very much for joining my channel, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon and share my videos, guys. Thank you so much and see you next time.